This video explains the admission process at the University of Navarra. If you're in your final year of high school and considering joining our university, this tutorial is tailored for you. To initiate the application for admission, the first step is to register on My UNAV portal. Simply fill out a form and submit required documents: a photocopy of your ID card or passport, a passport photo, and a €100 payment covering for admission procedures. International students, you should also provide a letter of recommendation. We offer two admission deadlines: an early deadline in December and an ordinary deadline in March. National students with grades equal to or above 7 can apply for the early deadline. If you're an international student, your ideal deadline is December. However, you can also apply for the March deadline. The second deadline is in March. If you're considering medicine or nursing, this is your deadline. However, go and check the requirements for each deadline on the admissions website to determine which suits your profile and interests. Once this step is complete, you will summed to your first major milestone, the admission test. Wondering about the admission test? It's simple. You will take a written test and, depending on the degree, possibly an interview with a university representative. International students will have an interview with the university delegate in their region. What about the admission criteria? At the University of Navarra, we allocate 40% to the admission exam and 60% to your junior year grades of high school, except for medicine and nursing, where the 70% is the test and 30% are the grades. Once the admission test is completed, we will notify you in about a month regarding your admission status. If the news is positive, the last step is enrollment. Don't worry, we will keep you informed about the enrollment process, payments, and due dates. Now you can celebrate. You are part of the University of Navarra. We are waiting here for you.